Hi, my name's John Mallory with Landline Doughnuts and Coffee. What's unique about our shop is we sell potato donuts. We replace 1/3 of the flour with mashed potatoes. It's an old recipe from the 1930s. And then we sell Ozo coffee and ice cream. Landline Doughnuts and Coffee was an idea that my wife and I had. We were trying to figure out, as empty nesters, what we were going to do when my daughter was a senior in high school. Ultimately, we found potato donuts, and we said, you know what? The world needs more donut shops. And so we brought Landline Doughnuts and Coffee to Longmont, Colorado. Downtown Longmont is my neighborhood. We live right upstairs, right above the shop. Come see us anytime.